Hello guys, and welcome back to another training video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money selling ebooks you didn't have to write yourself, okay? This is an amazing strategy that a lot of people don't talk about and that you can easily tap into right now and start seeing results. So without any time wasting, let's dive right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to head over to www.fpire.com, or you can just Google Funnelpire and it should bring up this website. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to the section that says Resale Right eBooks, okay? So what are resale right ebooks? So resale right ebooks are basically ebooks that have been created by other experienced copywriters and that you are legally allowed to resell as your own, charge your own prices, put yourself as the author. In some cases, you can even change the ebook covers depending on what license the books come with, and then sell as you please and keep 100% profit. It's that simple, okay? And if you're wondering if this is legal, yes, this is 100% legal. And this is why this type of books are called resale right ebooks. You have the full permission to resell these products as your own and keep 100% profits. So when you're purchasing resale right ebooks, you're literally buying a reseller's license to the book, okay? So at Funnelpire, you can actually get access to a ton of digital products, ebooks that have been created by other copywriters, literally granting you access to go out there and sell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profits, okay? So you can see right here, there's lots of different niches currently available, and all these ebook bundles come with at least 4 ebooks, okay? So you can see this acne bundle here. There's Amazon affiliate, Amazon KDP, anxiety and panic attacks, aromatherapy, if you guys are into, essential oils and that good stuff. This is an extra stream of income that you could tap into, because I know a lot of people promote essential oils out there. You could literally be selling this as an additional product and making money, guys. Like, this is a great way to earn extra income. Skincare, blogging, bodybuilding, bookkeeping, branding, ClickBank, credit repair. Yep, I know quite a few people actually that promote credit repair. You can actually sell an ebook as an add-on service, guys, and earn even more money, guys, just adding on to what you already have and appealing to the same audience. How amazing. Dating and relationships, debt management, detox, dropshipping. Like, there's so many different ebooks here that have already been created, guys. Like, you can go and sell those ebooks individually and charge individual prices. Okay, so you can sell each of these ebooks anywhere from $7 to $17, right? And earn a profit. And you only have to buy these bundles one time. And once you purchase it, you have the resale license to sell the books over and over and over again. There's no buying inventory and running out of inventory and having to buy more inventory from your vendor. You only buy the inventory one time and then you start making money over and over again. So each of these bundles are $47, but if you think about what you're getting, guys, is worth way more than $47. Now imagine that you purchase an ebook bundle with 4 ebooks, and let's say you were charging each ebook for $7, for example, right? That's how much? That's $35 for each and every single one of those ebooks. So if you sold just one of those ebooks, you've almost made all your money back, guys. And everything else that you sell after that is profit over and over and over again, okay? That's the beauty about this strategy, guys, about selling ebooks and digital products. You only need to get the product, create the products one time, or get access to the products one time and start selling over and over again. So I'll recommend that you check out funnelpire.com. These are high quality resale right ebooks. Now there's a few on websites out there where you can go buy PLR ebooks and all that stuff. Some of them are pretty low quality, and you realize that you may not even be able to use them at all because it's that badly written, okay? But here at Funnelpire, all the ebooks have been written by professional copywriters, good and high quality ebooks that you can sell as they are, or make any changes as you please, okay? So once you've purchased your ebook bundle, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to canva.com. What I always recommend you do is change the cover images, okay? A lot of these ebooks that come at funnelpire.com actually grant you private label rights, which means you can change the covers and you can put your name as the author. So I always recommend that you do that, just so you can stand out from all the fishes in the sea, because it is a big business out there, resale right ebooks. So you don't want to be in a situation where you're trying to promote the same book with the same cover as everybody else. And when it comes to the ebook business, guys, the first thing that sells is your ebook cover. That's the first thing that's going to attract people before they even read what your ebook is all about. So you want to make sure that you go and create your own unique ebook covers. You can actually do this on Canva, guys. So let's just say, let me just go back to the website. Let's just say you purchase How to Become an Influencer. You can see this an amazing, it's already got amazing ebook covers there that you can just go on and sell as they are. However, I'll advise that you go on and actually create your own covers, okay? So we can actually do How to Become a Successful Social Media Influencer. Or you can even change the title completely if you wanted to. So if we go on here, guys, and you can just go to create a design, and then you can search for ebooks here, okay? Ebook cover. Okay, so the beauty about Canva, guys, and this platform is free to get started with, they already have so many done for you templates that you can just go on and tap into. It's that simple. So what I could literally do here, guys, is I can go on here and just look for a template, a catchy template that is most suitable and relevant to what I'm trying to sell. Okay, so let me just go, let's just use this one as an example. Let me just click on here. Okay, so let's just say I wanted to use this cover. Then all I have to do is type over it. I'll just do how to be. You can change the colors of the ebook cover as well. You can just click on it, and as you can see, you can change that to, yep, I think purple looks very catchy. And then you can easily put your name here, guys. It's that simple. Okay, as the author. Then this image, you can replace that image if you go to where are we? Photos. Okay, and then let's just use that one as an example. I'll just pop it there. Okay, look at that. I've just created a cover. Very easy, guys. That's my own ebook cover. Now I could use that, guys, to easily promote this book. Okay, with this cover that I've just created now, it's literally going to differentiate my book from every other book out there, even though it's the same content or similar content. This is how you brand yourself and differentiate yourself from everyone else in the market. And if you're not good at design, guys, you can go to platforms like Fiverr.com and just search for ebook cover. You will find lots of people who are willing to do your ebook cover designs for you for as little as, $5 to $10. Okay, look at that. £4, $8.69, $4.34. So do your research, read the reviews, guys, before you use anyone. Okay, that's what I always recommend. So you can either do it on Canva on a budget, or you can just hire someone to do a very professional looking book cover for you. Okay, but if you're selling quite a lot of ebooks, then you want to save yourself some extra coins. You could just use Canva. Really up to you. Okay, or you could just pay someone to do it for you and have amazing professional looking ebook covers that have actually been created for you by an actual designer. It's all about investing in your business, because essentially your ebook cover is what is going to sell in the future. Okay, so once you've created your ebook cover, you want to head over to Gumroad. Okay, go to Google and just Google Gumroad.com. So on Gumroad, you will be able to sell your ebooks there. So you want to just click on Start Selling, and then it's going to ask you to register for an account. Okay, once you've registered for your account, guys, you will be taken to another section that basically is going to ask you information about your business, what you sell, and all that good stuff. And then it's going to have your account up and running. Instructions are pretty self-explanatory, guys, so I'm not going to be taking you through the actual Gumroad platform itself, but everything is pretty self-explanatory, guys. Okay, and once your account is approved, you can then upload your ebooks, as many ebooks as possible, on your Gumroad shop, and then set your prices, guys, and start selling it to the world. Okay, so once you've created your account on Gumroad, you will be able to get a link to your shop where you can actually use to promote your products. Okay, once you have your product ready to go, you want to head over to Pinterest. Okay, I love Pinterest because Pinterest is all organic marketing. Now I have a Pinterest account and I do upload quite a lot on my Pinterest account, guys. You can see I get about 11.1k monthly views. Look, people sleep on Pinterest a lot and they don't realize the power of Pinterest. Pinterest is like free organic marketing, guys. So you really want to head over to Pinterest, create a free account, and start uploading your books there. So every time you upload a new ebook on your Gumroad account, make sure you come onto Pinterest and create a new pin, right? You want to create a new pin on Pinterest, put your ebook cover there, put the title of your book, give it a nice description with some keywords that people are likely to be searching for. destination link here, you want to make sure you have the link to your Gumroad shop. So when people come on Pinterest and they see that book, they're going to click on that link and go to your Gumroad shop and purchase that book from there. So you're going to be using Pinterest to drive as much traffic as possible to your Gumroad shop, okay? And of course, there's other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook that you can use to start getting more traffic, even Twitter, to start getting people to buy your books on Gumroad. It's that simple, guys, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful, and hopefully you're going to go out there and actually take action. Now, if you're looking for an even easier way, guys, to make money online, then I highly recommend that you check out funnelpire.com. Now, what you get with the system is a done-for-you online business. Like, you're literally going to have your own online business created for you guys, ready for you to literally just click on the button to activate your business and start promoting and making money, okay? So all you have to do, guys, is just head over to this website, funnelpire.com. You will see a short video here just explaining how the system works and what the program is all about, and then you can just join this free challenge, which will ultimately activate your account, okay? And once you join this challenge, you will then be able to go on to promote the products, promote your website, and start making money, okay? This is an incredible system, easy to set up, free to join, guys. No product is needed, no shipping, no inventory, none of the complicated stuff, guys. And you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 a day with this system if you follow all the strategies, of course, that you're taught in the trainings, okay?